Join me as I take on the challenge of experiencing the thrill of the Kentucky Derby firsthand. Can I keep up with the excitement and catch all the action? The Kentucky Derby is one of the most prestigious horse races in the world, and for good reason. It's an event that showcases the best of American horse racing, with the fastest horses and most skilled jockeys competing for the top prize. This iconic event has been a staple of American culture for over a century, attracting visitors from all over the globe. But I know that for many horse racing enthusiasts, there are challenges to fully enjoying the experience. One of the biggest hurdles is understanding the betting process. It can be overwhelming, especially for newcomers. You've got to know what you're doing to make informed decisions, but it can be tough to keep up. And then there's the fact that horse racing often gets overshadowed by other sports, which can make it harder to get into. Not to mention the sheer excitement of the event can be hard to convey, especially if you're watching from afar. I mean, how do you really capture the energy of the crowd and the thunder of hooves pounding the track? The Kentucky Derby has a rich history that spans over 145 years, with the first race taking place in 1875. It's an event that's steeped in tradition, from the mint juleps to the extravagant hats worn by spectators. And then there's the iconic Churchill Downs, the legendary track where the Derby takes place. On Derby Day, the atmosphere is electric, with spectators cheering on their favorite horses and enjoying the festivities. The fashion is a big part of the fun, with attendees showing off their stylish outfits and, of course, those incredible hats. The energy is contagious, drawing in visitors and making them feel like they're part of something special. As the horses make their way to the starting gate, the tension builds, and then they're off, thundering down the track at breakneck speeds. The crowd erupts in cheers and chants, urging on their favorite horses as they battle for position. It's a heart-stopping moment, with the outcome hanging in the balance until the very end. The Derby is more than just a race. It's an experience that combines thrilling action, rich history, and a healthy dose of excitement. And then there's the moment the winner crosses the finish line, and the celebrations really get started. In the end, the Kentucky Derby is an experience like no other, with its unique blend of history, fashion, and high-stakes racing. From the pre-race festivities to the exhilarating atmosphere on race day, it's an event that's hard to match. Whether you're a seasoned racing fan or just looking for an exciting experience, the Derby has something for everyone. So, what are your favorite Derby moments? Have you ever been to the Kentucky Derby or watched it on TV? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more content about exciting events like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'd love to have you along for the ride.